Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with a list of abbreviation which is used in law reports or legal field usually. So let's see the various abbreviations which will help you in your preparation of various competitive exams etc. AB means appellate board, AC means appeal cases, AC again means appellate jurisdiction, ACC accident and compensation cases, ACJ is accidents claims journal, ACR is appellate jurisdiction criminal. You have to see the difference. When it is AC, it is appellate jurisdiction civil, ऊपर लिखा हुआ है, and when it is written ACR, then it is appellate jurisdiction criminal. ACR are Allahabad criminal rulings. AD is Anno Domini. ADB Asian Development Bank. AFP Asian Free Press. AG Advocate General, Attorney General or Accountant General. AID Agency for International Development. AIIMS All India Institute of Medical Science. AIR AP All India Reporter Andhra Pradesh. AIR ऑल इंडिया रिपोर्टर. आपको पता है AIR ऑल इंडिया रेडियो भी होता है, लेकिन हम यहाँ पे बात कर रहे हैं एब्रीविएशन जो कि लॉ रिपोर्ट्स में यूज़ किए जाते हैं. AIR ALL ऑल इंडिया रिपोर्टर इलाहाबाद. AIR MAD ऑल इंडिया रिपोर्टर मद्रास. AIR NSC ऑल इंडिया रिपोर्ट नोट ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट केसेस. AIR NUC All India Reporter Notes of Unreported Cases. AIR NOC All India Reporter Note of Cases. AIR PAT All India Report Patna. AIR Raj, you will understand easily. AIR is All India Reporter Rajasthan. AIR SC All India Reporter Supreme Court. AIWC All India Women Congress. ALJ Allahabad Law Journal. ALT Andhra Law Times. AM Anti-Meridian. ANN Asian News Network. Appeal APPEAL Asia Pacific Program of Education for All. APU Asian Parliamentarian Union. Asian Parliamentarian Union. APW is Andhra Pradesh Weekly Reports. AS is Appeal Suit or First Appeal from Suit. ASIL is Annual Survey of India Laws Journal. ASIN is Annual Survey of Indian Law. ATA Airtime Authority. ATC Administrative Tribunal Cases. AWC Allahabad Weekly Cases. ACLR Academy Law Reporter. AII, it's not II, it is All ER All England Reporter. All CJ Allahabad Criminal Judgments. So CJ हर जगह सिविल जज नहीं होता भाई, it is criminal judgments. BBC British Broadcasting Corporation. BCC is British Chancery Cases. So when you have studied law LLM, that is comparative criminal procedure, then you will have all these terms which are used over there. Then you have BHC Bombay High Court, BLJ Bihar Law Journal, BLR Bihar Law Reporter, BLT Bihar Law Times, BSC Bombay Stock Exchange, BTR British Tax Review, BALCO Bharat Aluminium Company, BOMLR Bombay Law Reporter, CA Court of Appeal, CAB CAB Central Advisory Board, CAD Constituent Assembly Debates, CAS Chief of Air Staff, CAT Central Administrative Tribunal, CBI Central Bureau of Investigation, CBR Central Board of Revenue, CBSC Central Board of Secondary Education. CC Calendar Case. CD Compact Disc. CEC Chief Election Commissioner. CFC Chlorofluorocarbon. CID Central Investigation Department. CIET Central Institute of Educational Technology. CIET कंडक्ट करता है बहुत सारे एग्ज़ाम्स हमारे इंडिया में. CIIL Central Institute of Indian Languages. CIL Coal India Limited. CJ Civil Justice या Civil Judge. CJM Chief Judicial Magistrate. CL Compulsory License. CLC Current Law Cases. CLR Calcutta Law Reporter. CLT Cuttack Law Times. CMA Civil Miscellaneous Appeal. CMLJ Civil and Military Law. CMP Civil Miscellaneous Petition. COPRA Consumer Protection Act. CPC Civil Procedure Code. CPCB Central Pollution Control Board. CPI Consumer Prime Index. CPJ Consumer Protection Judgment. CPR Consumer Protection Report. CR Civil Remedies. CRP Civil Revision Petition. CRPF Central Reserve Police Force. CS Court of Session. CST Central Sales Tax. CSWP Central Social Welfare Board. CTR Current Tax Report. CW Charge Witness. CAL LJ Calcutta Law Journal. CAL WN Calcutta Weekly Notes. CALIF LR California Law Review. COFEPOSA COFEPOSA Conservation of Foreign Exchange, Prevention of Smuggling Activities. Colombo LR Colombo Law Review. COM CAS Company Cases. COM LJ Company Law Journal. COM NR Company News and Reports. COMP LR Comparative Law Review. CRLJ Criminal Law Journal. CRPC Criminal Procedure Code. CRL Rev Criminal Law Review. CRLMP Criminal Miscellaneous Petitions. LRP Criminal Revision Petition. DB Division Bench. DC District Court. DCL Doctor of Civil Law. DG Director General. DIG Deputy Inspector General. DJ District Judge. DLJ Delhi Law Journal. DLR Delhi Law Reporter. DLR Delhi Law Review. DLT Delhi Law Times. DM District Magistrate. DW District Witness. EA Execution Application. EAP Environment Action Program. EC Election Commission. ECS Environment Control System. EFA Education for All. EFA Execution First Appeal. ELR Election Law Reports. ELT Excise Law Times. EP Execution Petition. EPZ Export Producing Zone. ERNET Educational and Research Network. ESA Execution Second Appeal. ESI Employees State Insurance. EVM Electronic Voting Machine. XD Exchequer Division. Exchange Reporter. Exchequer Reports. FB Full Bench. FC Federal Code. FCI Food Corporation of India. FERA Foreign Exchange and Regulation Act. FIB Foreign Investment Board. FIR First Information Report. FLT Forest Law Times. FOB Free on Board. FTU Free Trade Union. FTZ Free Trade Zone. GAIL Gas Authority of India Limited. GATS General Agreement on Trade in Services. GEF Global Environment Fund. GLR Guwahati Law Reporter. Guwahati Law Review. Guwahati Law Times. GM General Manager. GO Government Order Manuscripts. GOP अगर लिखा हो तो Government Order Printed. GORT लिखा हो तो Government Order Routine. GO केवल लिखा हो तो Government Order. GPF is General Provident Fund. SC is High Court. SDI is Human Development Index. SDR is Human Development Report. HL is House of Lords, HLC is Humanitarian Law Commission, HLR is Harvard Law Review, HMT Hindustan Machine Tools, HP Himachal Pradesh, HR House Rent, HUF is Hindu Undivided Family, HZL is Hindustan Zinc Limited, IA Indian Advocate, Indian Appeals, Interim Application, Interlocutory Application, Indian Appeals, IAS is Indian Administrative Service, IB Review, Indian Bar Review, IBRD, International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, IC Indian Cases, कंप्यूटर में होता है इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स, ICC is International Control Commission, ICJ is International Court of Justice, ID Industrial Dispute, IEA is Indian Evidence Act, IFS is Indian Forest Service, Foreign Service, etc. IL is Indian Law, IL is again Indian International Law, IL Review is Indian Law Review, ILO is International Labour Organization, ILR all is Indian Law Reporter Allahabad, Indian Law Reporter Bombay, Calcutta, Lucknow, Madras, so on so forth. ILR याद रखिए इंडियन लॉ रिपोर्टर होगा या रिव्यू होगा. IPR is IPC Indian Penal Code, IPR is Intellectual Property Rights, ITC is Income Tax Cases, ITI is Industrial Training Institute, ITJ is Income Tax Control, ITR Income Tax Report, Indian Tax Reports, Jammu Kashmir JBCI is Journal of Bar Council of India, JC is Judicial Committee, JCPC is Journal of Constitution and Parliamentary Studies, JCR is Joint Committee Report, JIC Judgment on Industrial Cases, JILI is Journal of Indian Law Institute, JKLF Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, JPL Journal of Planning Law, JT Judgment Today, JJ Judges, KB King's Bench, KG Kerala's Gazette, KLJ Kerala Law Journal, then Kerala Law Notes, Kerala Law Times, LA Land Acquisition, LA Legal Advisor, LA Legal Assistant, LCD is एक घर में रहता है और ये है लखनऊ सिविल डिवीज़न, LIC is Life Insurance Corporation, LJ is Law Justice, again Lord Justice, LL is Labor Law, LL is again Laws, LLD is Legum Doctor, Doctor of Law, LLJ Labor Law Journal, Labor Law Reporter, Labor Law Times. तो जर्नल रिपोर्टर टाइम्स का ये पेयर अप होता है, आप देख सकते हैं. LPM is Legal Protection of Marks, LQR is Law Quarterly Review, LRL is Legal Right of Labor, LT Law Times, LW Law Weekly, Lab IC Labor and Industrial Cases, LLB of course Bachelor of Law, Legum Bacca Correns, LLD Doctor of Laws, LLM Master of Law. You can note its Latin version, Legum Doctor, Legum Master. MACT Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, MC is Maintenance Cases. MFA Miscellaneous First Appeal, MIA Moore's Indian Appeal, MLA is Member of Legislative Assembly, MLJ Madras Law Journal, MLR Modern Law Review, MLT Madras Law Times, MNC Multinational Corporation, MO Material Object, MPCLJ Madhya Pradesh Criminal Law Journal, MPLJ Madhya Pradesh Law Journal, MSA Miscellaneous Second Appeal, MSW Master of Social Works, MWN Madras Weekly Notes, NABARD National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NCLJ National Commission Law Journal, NCR National Center for Radio, NDA National Defense Academy, NDP National Democratic Party, NLJ New Law Journal, NOC Note on Cases. वैसे हम लोग जानते हैं नो ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट जो कि एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्ट्रीम में यहाँ यूज़ होता है ज़्यादातर. NSC is Notes on Supreme Court Cases, NUC is Note on Unreported Cases, NYT New York Times, OBC Other Backward Classes, OC Officer Commanding, OJD Orissa Judicial Decision, ONGC Oil and Natural Gas Commission, OP Original Petition, OS original suit, OTS is official training school. Then you have PC, police custody. PC is again Privy Council. PDA, Preventive Detention Act. PFA cases, prevention of food adulteration cases. PIB, Public Investment Board. PIN, Postal Index Number. Press Trust of India. PIT. PLJ is Punjab Law Journal. PLR is Punjab Law Reporter. PLT is Punjab Law Times. PUDR is People Union for Democratic Rights. PW is Plaintiff Witness, Prosecution Witness. PAT LT is Patna Law Times and Patna Law Reporter, Patna Weekly Notes. QB is Queen's Bench Division, RBI Reserve Bank of India. RCP is Rent Control Petition. RCSCST, Report of Commission on Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe. RSCEBC, Report on Commission on Socially and Educational Backward Classes. RDA, Rural Development Agency. RDS, Radio Data System. RLR is Rajasthan Law Reporter, Rajasthan Law Times, Rajasthan Weekly. RRD is Rajasthan Review Digest. RTO, Regional Transport Officer. SA, Second Appeal. SAT is State Administrative Tribunal. SC, Supreme Court, Sessions Court, Session Case, Scheduled Case. SCA is Supreme Court Appeals. SSC is Supreme Court Cases. SCD is Supreme Court Decision. SCJ is Supreme Court Journal. SCN is Supreme Court Notes. SCR is Supreme Court Reports. SCW is Supreme Court Weekly. SCWR is Supreme Court Weekly Reports. Then you have SLC, Service Law Cases. SLJ, Service Law General. SLV is Satellite Launch Vehicle. SMS is Subscriber Management System. SN is Short Notes. SRI is System Research Institute. SRO is Statutory Rules and Orders. SSC is Staff Selection Commission. ST is Summary Trial. It's not Scheduled Tribe over here, it's Summary Trial. STC is Sales Tax Cases. STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing. STF is Special Trust Fund. TA is Travelling Allowance. TAC is Transport and Accident Cases. TADA, Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention. Tax is Trunk Automatic Exchange. Telex, TELEX, Tally Printer Exchange. TIN is Tax Information Network. TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company. TP, Transfer of Property. TR, Taxation Reports. TRIPS, Trade Related Intellectual Property Rights. UNO, United Nations Organization. YUCTA, UCTA, United Chamber of Trade Association. ALPHA, United Liberation Front of Assam. UN, United Nations. UTI, Unit Trust of India. UNIF is University. VAT is Value Added Tax, Volume VOL. WA is Writ Appeal. WHO is World Health Organization. WN is Weekly Law Notes, Weekly Notes. WP is Writ Petition. WPC is World Peace Council. WR is Western Railway. WWW is World Weather Watch. And the last one is YLJ, Yale Law Journal. So this was your list of abbreviations used in various law reports. I hope this is going to help you out in your knowledge of law, and you will use it in writing your law reports and also qualify your competitions. Keep learning. Bye bye for now. God bless you all.